Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a little unboxing of Shop Disney product that came in, which is my Disney designer collection that I have waited for a month. It was released February 1st, I believe. It was a pre-order, and today it finally arrived. And here it is. Are you guys ready to unbox with me? So before we get to it, we went to Disneyland. They already had it at World of Disney store. I was like, what the heck? If I knew that, I would have just bought it there, but I guess it arrived before when I even pre-ordered. So yeah, let's just get to it. Oh, where's my scissor? I'm excited. Guys, I need some better knives. Goodness gracious. There we go. Here's the invoice. This was priced at, let's see, what's that about? Oh, well, I believe it was $130. Yeah, we don't need to know that. Oh, please don't let it be damaged. Come on, Disney, do better. The color of the box is beautiful. Here's the designer. Hopefully I can see her. Yeah. Here's the side of the box. And I don't think they put the price on these when you pre-order it. So, Princess Tiana. Yes. Oh, I've been waiting for 4 months. So excited. Let's see how she look on the inside. Look at her first. Her dress is beautiful. And here's the inside. You guys probably can't see it, but I'll show a closer up look. Let's see what number we got out of the 9800. I was hoping for a lower number. We got 1,107 out of 9,800. I was hoping for something lower since it was a pre-order. It's okay. And the designer is by Lonnie King. And yeah, let's see. Let me open her up so we get a little more clear look of how she looks. The details. Box. Love her dress. Love her cape. Her hair. Pretty soft. Oh, it's very deep. She's gorgeous. Here it is. Here you go. I love her little tassel crown right here. Gold looking with a little bedazzle. Her cape is gorgeous. She has cute bracelet and her hair is pretty long. I love her curly hair. What kind of shoe she got on? Oh damn it. I don't want to cut it, so I can't show you guys her shoe. Maybe I can get a little sneak. She has white shoes on. Damn it. I don't want to snip it. Maybe you guys could find others who unbox it out of their box and show you guys more into detail. But as of now, this is all I will be showing. So yeah, so here's a closer look, guys. Here's her dress. It's kind of sheer, which is her cape. Has not a design. You can see a little pattern on here. Here's her embroidered dress. I think that's how I would describe it. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the best I could describe it. I think her cape has a little too different sheer color to it. One is much wider than the other. This one's a little more tannish. And I can see there's also a pattern on the back of her cape. That's unless I cut her out, but I don't want to do that. Here's her bracelet. That's the other side of her bracelet. You can see her cape has a chain right across. Has a little stone right here on her dress. Her makeup. So comment down below, tell me what you guys think of her. And here's the background. So comment down below, let me see what you guys think of her. So far, she looks so much more gorgeous in person. Picture does not do justice at all. For today, this is my Princess Tiana. Thank you for being around and watching this to unbox with me. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.